Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Lesson 2. Let the English words wash over you slowly and calmly. Try not to memorise anything. Let us begin. Here are the 12 English words for today. Just listen. Do not repeat. Morning, night, feel, happy, sad, cold, hot, hungry, thirsty, okay, yes, no. Good. Now we will say the same words together. Please listen to the 12 English words again and repeat them after me. Morning, morning, night, night, feel, feel, happy, happy, sad, sad, cold, cold, hot, hot, hungry, hungry, thirsty, thirsty, okay, okay, yes, yes, no, no. Very good. Take your time. Now we will listen to some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Good morning, good night, you happy, I sad, feel cold, you hot, feel hungry, feel thirsty, feel okay, say yes, say no. Good. Let us continue. Now, listen to a simple story using all of the 12 English words. Hello, good morning. How do you feel? You feel happy. I feel sad. Are you hot? You say yes or no. I am cold. Are you hungry? I am thirsty. Today I am okay. Good day today. Good night. Good night. Very good. Let us now listen to the 12 English words one more time. Morning, night, feel, happy, sad, cold, hot, hungry, thirsty, okay, yes, no, excellent. Okay, this is the end of lesson 2. You did very well today. Relax now and I will see you for lesson 3. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe.